Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this amazing coil method. First, I'm going in with the Black Vanilla 4-in-1 Combing Cream. It's by Carol's Daughter. This product is for dry, brittle, and dull hair. This is going to deeply moisturize your hair and detangle your hair. I'm just smoothing that product in from top to bottom, making sure my ends are really moisturized.
I regret what I said at the mall. No, I don't even miss you a bit.
And then I'm going in with the As I Am Double Buttercream. This product is a thick, kind of like creamy consistency. It's a daily moisturize. It has a ton of oils such as cocoa butter, shea butter, castor oil, etc. And I like this product. I'm putting it on my ends, making sure I get every inch of product onto my hair as much as possible.
I didn't mean to start up a fire, baby, hurting you was not my desire.
And then next I'm going with the Camille Rose Natural. This is a curling jelly, and I'm just smoothing it onto my hair. And then I'm going in with an oil. You can use any oil of your choice. This is just the oil I prefer, and it is the DooGro oil. Okay guys, so you see what I'm doing now. I'm just twirling my finger. I'm taking section by section, little by little. You could do either big or small. I like to do kind of small. I'm just twirling my finger around, and this is just going to define your curls. Now I do have some heat damage where you will see like further on in the video, but it still managed to come out nice. But I'm not sure how it will really work if you have a lot of heat damage. You can try. I know it works for me, but you know, just try it and see how it goes.
I didn't mean to call you a liar. I didn't mean to start up a fire, baby, hurting you was not my desire. The others have to do is tell you I'm sorry, baby, I'm sorry.
So I already did one section of my hair, so I'm just gonna show you guys the rest of the video on how I curl it, and I will see you guys when I'm done.
I'm sorry, oh yeah. I didn't mean to call you a liar. I didn't mean to start up a fire, baby, hurting you was not my desire. The others have to do is tell you I'm sorry.
and I put my hair like this because I'm stretching it because my hair is like, it shrinks really badly. And since I did my hair late last night, I have to go in with a blow dryer, blow it out real quick to keep it cute. And then I'm gonna show you guys the final results. Okay, so I'm doing makeup, come back and let you guys know what's up. Let's get into this hair. See, this is why I like doing this. Hi guys, okay, so this is the final look, and I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, this is a good way for your hair to be moisturized for like a good 7 days, because if I just did a wash and go, my hair would not last. That's why I do this, so it keeps the moisture in, and it also makes my hair look popping. Yeah, so if you guys want to see more videos like this, just let me know. Show you guys my video but show you guys my outfit. Look, but that concludes this video. Hope you guys like it and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.